This video provides a guided meditation on this painting. Prompts and questions will be followed by silences to allow time to formulate ideas and responses. To begin, take a moment to close your eyes or lower your gaze as you take a deep breath. If it's comfortable, keep breathing in through your nose and bring your attention to the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. If a color could represent how you feel in this moment, what color would you pick? Imagine stepping through a mist of that color and emerging on the other side. Slowly open your eyes and take in this painting. It measures 8 feet tall by 6 feet across. When hanging in a gallery, it looms a few feet above even the tallest visitor. Picture yourself approaching this canvas from a distance. What does it look like from afar? Move a little closer. What does it look like now? Imagine moving so close that it fills your field of vision. If you could give this painting a title, what would you call it? An artist named Leon Berkowitz made this in 1979 and called it Coronation. What do you think this title, Coronation, could mean? Take one more deep breath and imagine this field of color surrounding you. Feel embraced by calm and peace, and slowly return to your day.